Another bill making its way through the House would ban the use of human-animal hybrid embryos in Arizona. It's a bill that has scientists confused because it's never been practiced here in Arizona. Brian McBride has been talking to scientists and lawmakers about this controversial bill. Brian?
Kim, right now there's a bill that dates back more than a quarter century ago that prohibits Arizona scientists from experimenting on human embryos. It's a bill that some say sets back human embryonic stem cell research before it could even begin.
Something out of a science fiction movie, mixing DNA between animals and humans, but it's actually a practice that has taken place in labs around the world for years now.
Transferring human cells to non-human animal brains are over a decade old right now. And again, none of this is happening in Arizona.
And the state wants to make sure it stays that way. Senate Bill 1307 would ban the practice of merging human and animal cells. Hybrids or chimeras are embryos formed by injecting a human cell nucleus into an empty animal egg. Its DNA would be 99.9% human, and such experiments promise insight into Alzheimer's and motor neuron disease.
So this might enable us to do a little bit of research without the need for human embryos, without the need for human eggs.
But while some scientists might tout the benefits, there were many who came out in support of tougher restrictions.
The concern of this bill is, can you move research forward in an ethical manner? Just because it can be done doesn't mean it should be done.
Kelly Damron is no scientist, but she spoke up against the bill, saying if it passed, it would hinder important research, especially for parents trying to have children.
We're going to stop the progress of infertility treatment because they're not going to be allowed to do research on embryos or play with them so that they can create breakthroughs in medicine.
It's a bill that has Kelly and others on both sides of the stem cell debate waiting to see what happens next.
The bill passed committee and is set for a floor vote soon. Live in the Cronkite News Bureau, Brian McBride, Cronkite News.